What's up guys, I'm Raynat and this is the spotlight for the new Master Yi skin that is legendary and it costs 1820 RP. And I'm so mad at Riot that they made a legendary skin for Master Yi. I can't believe it, but yeah, okay, whatever. Right, okay, whatever. Just let's look at the skin. I hope you like the video and let's get started.
I have known this blade my entire... Oh, where did that come from? The voice of a stranger echoes in my mind.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Beyond my vision. Demons hide from us.
And that is the end of our spotlight for Project Master Yi. Maybe you like the skin, maybe you don't. I don't like it just because it's for Master, but the skin itself is very nice and Riot did a good job. So, I hope you liked it and enjoy the Master Yi plays with this skin. See you next time, bye.